people that are hungry. You show me a man or woman with nothing to lose, most dangerous person on the streets. Show me something. Show me a person with like, no, I'm good. I'm comfortable. Everything's fine. All my debt's paid for. I got my little retirement account going. I got a little, I got a good job. Oh my God, man, most miserable person in the universe. And the hardest person to help. I'm good. Okay, you good until you ain't. Look, when you get comfortable, you immediately make excuses for yourself. You immediately start deluding yourself to believing you're better off than you are when you're not. You start believing you've got it all figured out. You are no longer teachable. I don't need this Grant Cardone guy. He's going to talk to me all about the motivation, and just get to the good stuff. And no, bro, you need to confront the fact that you want to know how. You don't even know why. You want to know, oh my, what's the trick? Trick ain't going to help you. You're not motivated right now because you're sitting on what you have. You don't take the risk. Not putting it at risk is why you can't make the next move. So you need to check yourself because you're about to wreck your family. For real. If you know you can do more, if you know it's possible to do more, you will never be satisfied with doing less. It's impossible. More. Okay? What motivation do you need? What obstacles do you need to overcome? Because obstacles are good. They keep you alive. What resources do you need, and how do we execute so you can quit making sense of this place that you're at right now? Because human beings are meant to grow and evolve, not be satisfied with where they are. Now, you don't have any money. You don't have any contacts. You don't have the know-how. Dude, I can solve all that. That other stuff, you got to solve that. Okay? Ego, I know it all. I'm the shit. I'm comfortable. I can't handle that. Don't have a course to help you with it. The other stuff, you want to go to 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, let's roll. You got to realize that you have way more resources than you thought you had. There's a lot of stuff. I learned this on firsthand on The Undercover Billionaire. When they took away everything from me, at one point I was crying like a little baby on the show. I was calling my wife saying, I can't do this. And my wife would be like, you're a badass. You can do anything. Okay, here I am, Grant Cardone, the badass, and I'm crying like a little baby, like, I can't do it. I can't do it. I got to go home. It's 15 degrees. I'm sick. I'm crying. I'm seriously, actually, Johnny, you got that clip where I'm crying? Yeah. Can you plug that in here?
Johnny, can you pull it up? Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing. I get depressed. I lose my way. I forget the goals, and I get consumed by my fears. My mission right now is to get my kids here, to be with my kids. I cannot face the possibility that the next time I see my kids, they're a half inch taller. Today will be starting to hit the outsides of the longest period of time I haven't been around my kids. My dad never got to see me grow up. See, this is all the stuff people deal with every day. Oh, man. It's hard, man. It's hard when you got money. It's impossible when you don't.
I think there's less than a 40% chance that I make this. I hit every roadblock you can imagine on this show. Every rejection, disappointment, discouragement. And not only was that happening to me on the show, but it was reminding me of all the losses when I had nothing on the come up. So some of you that watched it, you're like, okay, it's not that bad for him. You don't know what was going on inside of me. I was getting everything turned on. Everything was getting re-stimulated. When I thought I was getting some progress, boom, the whole show got shut down. Every time something blew up in my face. And it would remind me, because I didn't have anything. I didn't have a place to sleep. I didn't have a nice car. I didn't have my family with me. I was alone. I was lonely. I was sick. I was cold. I was sleeping on a hard mattress. I stole a blanket off my plane so I could sleep under that blanket. I'm going to a farm to grab food so I could eat at night. Man, I was exhausted every day. So you got to figure out how to keep your motivation. Why? The target. That's why I spent so much time on that target. Look, it wasn't just some kind of commitment that I had. I had a target. I had to hit that $1 million. I wasn't just in this thing for 90 days, 100% committed. I was 1,000% committed, and I was scared to let my family down. So write this down in your book, and we're gonna move on. Okay. Number one takeaway I had from Undercover Billionaire, you need to bring it to your life.